And we're back with more Sheryl Underwood Radio.
Thank you, super producer. Courtney Black has decided her facts are going to be Jussie Smollett. She has something to say. She was like, listen to me, and I want to say it while everybody's here. So we were talking about Jussie Smollett. Warren Valentine, your position is the special, what is it? Special
prosecutor.
Okay, that wants to make the black girl look bad. I argue you already looking bad because you shouldn't have waded into this in the first place. You shouldn't have did it, and you should have just let the chips fall where they may, and the dude would have got probation anyway. And right now, the only thing he could get is maybe 3 years, but because of the way everything's going down, they're going to want to put him in jail. That's where it's going. Courtney Black, you say what?
I got two things. One, Jussie should have been quiet the whole time. He kept, talking instead of letting it die. And then second is just another proof that like black people can't do what white people do in regards of Kim Foxx.
And that's my point, Courtney, because this special prosecutor, this has never been done in Cook County. I used to work in that office. I used to be a state's attorney in that office. That's never happened before.
But maybe
that's why people are making the stance about they're coming after Kim.
But wait a minute, Warren. See, I live in Chicago, and we are two things, three things. We the Windy City, but we know how to hustle. You know, say I was taught if you get pulled over, you hand the cop the driver's license and a folded $20 bill. That's just what you do.
20. That's it.
Back in the day.
That's enough.
But what I'm saying is, we can't always want to argue. Well, oh my God, they just doing this to me because I'm black. No, you did it to yourself because you black. Because Courtney, you said you can't do what white people do.
Can't.
What was your other point you were gonna make? The other one you said in the break. What if this had been
Trump? Or any other white prosecutor, he would have gotten away with it. He dismissing cases all day long.
Jim Kelly, Trump, no, he could have did it and smiled in front of the camera and got away with it, right?
Yeah,
because that's the way the system is set up. If the system is not set up for you, how you think you gaming something?
He would have had Barr drop it.
There you go. There you
And
go.
he would do it too. They don't mind.
But as we discuss this situation, I am concerned, Harry Southern, that our people sometimes want to get up and go, it's because you're black. Don't treat them like that. But she should have stayed out of it, and this would have been over a long time ago.
Now, I agree with that, Sheryl.
And Jussie Smollett played Robin on GMA. Okay.
He did.
Remember when she interviewed him?
Yeah, I remember that. I remember.
And what you do, you can't use this. You can't use it. You can't. The same thing with the Gayle King and the Snoop Doggy Dogg stuff. It's us against each other, and then we want to jump. But I'm black. You knew that. Harry, you say what?
We can't use the race card unless it's actually racial. And I think a lot of times we go to that because that helps us for America to feel sympathetic to our cause from our history. So we can't always play the race card because it's not always racist. And in this particular case, he actually has to be tried because he actually lied. And I love him and I love the show. That was my number 2 show next to Power. So the thing is, he's going to have to be tried. He's going to have to get due process, but he's going to have to face and stand up for what he actually done. We got to look at his conduct. And it's unfortunate that it's 35 days before the election for Miss Kim Foxx, but still, this is the law. And we, like Courtney said now, we're not going to get no special treatment. We're not going to get that type of stuff.
And we don't want it.
Right.
If I ain't did nothing, then I'm coming to tell you I ain't did nothing. But then don't get this attitude where, how dare you bring this toward me? How dare you question? How dare you? It could have been things going on all the time. Look at what happened to the police chief.
Oh, yeah.
Look at what happened to him. So it's things going on. And the light illuminated everything.
Yeah.
So, hey, if you don't do nothing, you won't get charged for nothing. This has been a good one. Thank you, Courtney Black, for letting us have your facts. Girl, you brought it back to us. And Kyle Irby, what you saying as we go to break? Do what?
Sure, we can defend everybody. I was a big adamant supporter of the movement, #free Bobby Brown. But this ain't that.
What?
There we go.
This ain't that.
This ain't that.
So I'm with #jail Jussie.
Okay. We'll be right back. More Sheryl Underwood Radio. We're going into the sports bar where men come to talk and women come to eavesdrop. Hey y'all, this is your girl Sheryl Underwood, and the 2020 census will determine the allotment of electors given to each state. Hundreds of census workers are needed. Right now, apply now at www.2020census.gov/jobs. Share this post with your friends and your family. Hashtag 2020 Census Job. Hashtag a job that counts. Hashtag apply now.